Hello and welcome to this video. What kit do I need to buy to live stream? I've made this basic video to give you examples with links in the description of everything you need to live stream. This is going to be from the camera, the power to make sure the camera can be powered for long live streams, the microphone, how you bring the signal to your computer, and even some cheap lights. So that's everything you need to live stream. Let me show you some of these examples that are linked in the description. These are all going to take you to an Amazon Amazon shop where you can find them. So let me show you the first option. I am showing you example cameras that I would suggest. So cameras are a mixture of prices. This one is a good photography and video camera which you can live stream with. So it's a 700D camera, priced at $449.99. I might put a couple of other links down there, so if you're into your cameras you can look at a couple of other examples. But this one is a 1080p camera. It's got a flip out screen and it comes with a lens. So that's number one camera essential. The next thing you need is you want to be able to power the camera for long enough without a battery. So you can get these which looks like camera batteries, but they're not actually camera batteries. What they are is a dummy battery. So it allows you to be able to power the camera for longer periods of time. So you basically put that into your camera. It looks like a battery, but it's got an adapter cable plugged in. You plug it into the mains power and then you can, well, film for ages. So that is a second option to make sure your camera can stream and be powered for long enough. The next thing I'm going to suggest is a HDMI capture card. So don't worry, a lot of these things are different things, but I've got another video where I show you how to put it all together. So when you end up buying it, at the end of this video, I'll give you a playlist to show you how to connect everything together so you can see the full journey. So this card basically plugs into your computer or laptop and it brings a signal from the camera to your computer. You'll need a couple of adapters which are also linked in the description. This adapter it's funny, the cameras are smaller, so they have a smaller cable. You basically buy this connector cable, which is an adapter, which makes a small HDMI to a large one, and then you plug in a HDMI cable into it, like that example there. That's also linked in the description, and that's your 3-step process. So the camera, HDMI capture card, the power unit, the lead, and the plug straight into your PC. That's your video coming to your computer. You've already got a lens with the camera because the examples I've given you include lenses. The next thing you're going to do is audio. So right now I use a microphone on a boom arm. If you're looking to have this setup, this is what you need. This is a USB audio interface. You plug it into your computer via USB and you plug in your microphone into this to allow you to get good audio. So you'll need that link in the description. You can get different types of audio, but I'm going to keep it simple. That's the one to get. Here is a microphone, a Shure Cardioid dynamic microphone. Don't need to get into the specs. It's basically a microphone similar to, you might hear that, similar to this mic, and that's what I'll plug into that mixer I showed you earlier. You'll need a boom arm. So if you want that boom arm, that's basically what attaches it to the desk. So you'll need that. The cable, the microphone I'm showing you here comes with a cable, so you won't need to buy the cable separately. That plugs into your mixer. So that's your mic sorted and your mixer sorted. Your arm is sorted. So there you've got your video and you've got your audio. Next, you want this type of lighting. So I've got one LED panel up here, but I'm going to actually show you 2 small LED panels which allow you to illuminate. So any type of light will help with your video, and that's going to be linked in the description. So you've got your video, your audio, and your lighting sorted. You can stream. Check out this video of how to put these things together.